If you want to add photos to your trailer, you can do that by clicking on the Photo tab down at the bottom. Click on another clip and let's add a photo to our trailer. When you click on the Photos tab, your photos from your photo library on your iOS device will pull up. You can click on any one of those photos and it will automatically upload to your shot. If you add a photo to your trailer, it has what it calls a Ken Burns effect. This is where the picture, instead of being static and still, will actually move a little bit. If you would like your photo to stay still, you can click on the photo and then click where it says Ken Burns enabled. Click on it and it will disable it. If you would like to have your picture move, you can click on that button again and it will once again enable the Ken Burns effect. You can change how the picture zooms in or zooms out by clicking at the bottom where it says Start, and then positioning by pinching or zooming on the picture. Then you can click the End part of your clip and once again drag it to the position by pinching to zoom. You can preview that effect by hitting the play button below. If you're happy with your project so far, you can go ahead and push Done. This will allow you to export your project.